Hey guys, it's Melanie. This is my intro because, yeah, basically, I wasn't planning on filming this vlog, but then I do this thing where every single thing I do, I'm like,
oh my gosh, I wish I was showing you guys. I wish I was vlogging this.
So then last minute, I was like, okay, I'm gonna vlog. So basically, I started vlogging like halfway through the trip, but then I also had some footage from like the beginning because I film literally
Every single thing
that I do. So if this video is a little bit of a mess, don't mind it. I thought it was cute. I thought it was fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy. That's my intro. Okay, bye.
Candy, she's sweet like candy in my veins, baby.
Just cut it into thirds, like a piece.
Oh my god, it's so ugly. How huge this Value Village is. Hey guys, we are currently in Vancouver, Canada. This trip was to visit my grandma. I didn't think we were gonna be doing very interesting stuff because it's like mostly to visit my grandma, but today we were kind of doing some fun stuff, so I figured I would put together a little video vlog-ish thing. It kind of eats me inside when I'm not vlogging because I just want to show you guys everything. We just went to a big Value Village and then we're gonna go to another one and just look around. I found some stuff, so maybe I'll give you a little haul later. This one was really massive. Yeah, basically what we did this morning, went to this little cafe for breakfast. We got souffle pancakes, which you probably saw because I was
very excited
about that. I posted like a million photos of them because they're really cool and jiggly. So we got that, and then we've just been thrifting. We're at Value Village number 2. Okay, so we're actually checking out this little mini thrift store first, and then we're gonna go to Value Village. One thing I've noticed is they have so many like Zara and Aritzia things at these Canadian thrift stores. It's kind of crazy. Hi, so we just finished at Value Village. We got some good stuff. Now we're walking to a dessert Asian cafe place that has Dippin' Dots, and I freaking love Dippin' Dots, but you like can't get them anywhere. Jokes, we actually didn't go to Aritzia. This is from a thrift store. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I'm gonna keep talking. This lighting's kind of bad, but it's okay. A little story time. When I was thrifting, there was all these really pretty girls who had really nice style, and it really stressed me out because I was telling my brother, oof, oh gosh, this lighting. When I see like other girls with really nice style thrifting, it literally stresses me out and I go into panic mode because I'm like scared they're gonna get all the good stuff, you know? So then I feel like I have to thrift super quick. And then so I was really stressed and I was trying to thrift really quick. We're at the cafe now and we just walked here. We're waiting for our Dippin' Dots. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, so this is the thingy we got, and basically it's just like Dippin' Dots and then it has like ice cream stuff underneath. Look at this guy, he's so cool. Live fresh, eat local. Yeah. Gosh, that's kind of scary. I don't know if I'm gonna put this stuff in a separate haul. I might because I do that. Yeah, making deals on deals on deals out here, guys. Come on. First off, I got this hoodie. I know it's literally summer and your girl got a hoodie. The fit is really good. Size small, it's literally perfect. I love it. As you can tell, I'm digging this blush pink shade. The next thing, that little shop I showed you called like Ray's or Randy's or Rose or something with an R. These shorts, hopefully these will fit me, and honestly they look like pajama shorts. They're flowy and they have little ruffles on the bottom. Then I got this striped top, has like a lined black collar, a cool like kind of twist. I got this jacket. It's the brand London Fog, which I'm pretty sure is a good brand. Mother, Amy, London Fog is a good brand, right? Yeah. Come say hi. You're gonna help do the rest of my haul. I already showed them these 3 things.
Cute.
Thanks, man. And I got this hoodie.
This looks familiar.
Yeah, I have the same one in yellow.
No, but this color looks familiar.
Yeah, I have a hoodie that color, but...
And this brand looks familiar. This Divide.
It's Ishina.
Oh, cute. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. Does it look like a brandy?
Anything looks like a brandy.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Here, describe.
Neck.
You didn't even show them.
Oh, sorry. That's got stripes. It's got stripes. I don't know.
You're really good at this. Yeah,
pants?
the brandy ones.
The pants. That would be really funny to wear those with those pants.
Yeah, you want to do another dress me?
No more.
My mom's done with it. She's done.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Alligators. Okay, this is very, very close up, but kind of digging it, not gonna lie.
What time are we leaving Thursday?
It's up to you, but we're going shopping.
We are?
Okay, bye. I'm taking these baddies off. Oh, yeah, boy. Kind of devastating. I should have kept those on while I was talking. I'm gonna go walk my dog with my dad and... Okay, coming! Currently editing a video. My dad is very loud. He's playing Jeopardy with the TV.
Landlord, landlady. Dead heat. Monaqua. Impala. Let's go, ma'am.
Are you kidding me right now? Oh, okay.
Unless, I'll tell you what, you can sit there, look pretty, and I'll go get it.
We're going to get sushi now. Look at my dad's cool backpack. Should I bring my vlog?
Whatever turns you on.
Okay, I'll bring it. It'll make it fun. Okay, guess we're going. He's checking himself out in the mirror. There's so many of us. Woo!
Pictures of Canadian people.
Beautiful. This is where we're going, guys. What is this man doing? Model. Hey, cutie cutie. Ayo. We have acquired the dinner. Say hi. Nah. Sushi unboxing time. Oh yeah. That's so mukbang. I said I would never do a mukbang. Wow. Look at all those goods. Maui. Ooh. They're just so cute. Do you know what a mukbang is?
Mukbang.
Yeah. YouTubers film themselves eating and they just talk.
Oh, yuck.
What? Do you know what a mukbang is?
A what?
A mukbang?
Say it again?
Mukbang?
No, sounds bad.
What's a mukbang? Mukbangs when the YouTubers, they eat and they just talk to the camera while they're eating.
See that, Jerry?
What? What is going on over here? That's awkward.
Our trip.
Anna, wave to my camera.
Which trip?
Then wave over there. Then wave over there. Wave to that.
I'm trying to edit. Good morning, y'all. It is... Once it's summer, I literally forget the day, the week, the time. Like, I don't know anything. My family just went to get Chinese food for breakfast, and I hate Chinese food. So I'm at home with my dog. If you hear him crying in the back, it's because he's having a little mental breakdown. Obsessed with my parents. So when they leave him, he kind of goes a little crazy. So I'm stuck with this crying dog back here. He's freaking out, man. Russell, you'll be okay, honey boo. Y'all know I like fruit. Oh my gosh. Holy schnizzle. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look how stocked my grandma is with blueberries. Like, reference. What is going on over here? Oh my gosh. Holy schnizzle. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look how stocked my grandma is with blueberries. Like, reference. I'm gonna edit this vlog and then I might film and do some like painting stuff because I literally brought all my paint with me. Yeah, that might happen. Not really sure. I also need to get ready because we're going out to like a cafe after, so we'll see. I'm with my mommy. She liked my lashes.
I like her lashes.
Thanks, you just restated it. So she liked my lashes and she wanted me to give her some. Do you guys think my mom should get lash extensions? Remember when I used to do your makeup?
Okay. Are you finished? You finished?
Okay, she just said bye to you guys, so bye. Okay, so now we're shopping. We're gonna go get share tea. I spilled it. Thank you. Hi. Hello. Patagonia. You want to know?
Okay. What? I don't get it.
Oh my gosh. We're looking at the thrift store now. Okay, so we're now on our way to this little cafe and I'm super excited. We're actually not like thirsty or anything, but it's like super adorable. So we're gonna take pictures there, but we're actually like on a time crunch, so we're gonna do it real fast. So we got this kombucha. We're in a bit of a rush, but basically it was a successful day. We went to that really adorable cafe. I hopped in there, took photos for like 10 minutes straight. We're in a bit of a rush because we need to get home for our family dinner. Hopped in to this cafe. We went in there, took photos for like 10 minutes straight and then dipped. And like all the people in there high-key judging me. Never gonna see y'all again.
Still freak out.
Okay, bye guys. Say bye.
Hi. I don't have a phone up. In your makeup will lead you to success.
I'm putting on my false lashes on her. Okay, mom, sit right here.
You should put them on Nana.
This is by double.
I have two pairs.
Nana turned 90.
You guys have to wear them together,
That
okay?
would be so funny.
Nana, do you want to try them on? Do you want to say hi to my video? We just had birthday dinner for Nana.
For 90.
Is that the glue?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
But temporary glue. And after this, we're gonna watch, my dad's gonna watch the video with him in it. Because he doesn't watch any of my videos, but he said he'll watch this one.
Oh, really?
Because
That's
he's famous.
So funny.
Yeah. Ready? Ready for the big thing? Okay. Keep them closed.
Open your eye.
I'm not sure that when I open my eyes, I'll be used to seeing what this new look looks like. It might freak me out.
Okay, ready? Thanks, Nana.
Thanks, Nana.
You wanna try them on after?
Yeah, you do it, Nana.
3, 2, 1, open.
Open? I can't open my eyes. They're stuck.
That's nice.
You wanna try them?
Oh my gosh. Those are nice. I'm not used to seeing it.
That's nice.
Nice. Do you wanna try them?
Yeah,
No, no.
You should do it. That's so funny. That would be.
I think so. She's nice.
Yeah, I think it looks
Don't
pretty.
you think?
We'll see.
Nana, you try them?
Yeah, let's put Nana.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so we're reacting to my family watching my video. No, because Dad won't do it by himself, so I need you guys to work together.
Why would I do that?
Please, Dad, please.
Oh, so we're going through your drawers and picking out clothes. Yeah. But you'll take care of that.
I mean,
What do you
Why
want?
you gotta tie it like that for?
trying to make it look better.
You guys have mine hang.
What's that?
You're different. This is commercial, Nana. That's not a part of it.
He does this every day.
It's true.
You gotta do your monthly chores before you leave.
No way, really?
You have to leave a Sunday, you gotta do it.